Hello, so I've decided to make a video here about the Paul Reed Smith switching situation. I see a lot of threads and comments about the rotary switching, about the push-pull toggle, and of course the current blade switching that's in place. Now, what I've done with my PRS CE24 is I've got a 6-way toggle switch installed. I'll talk a bit about how that all works. A couple of benefits are that, of course, you can see where you are. With the rotary, it's hard to tell kind of where you are with your switching. This I can tell where I am just by looking at it as opposed to having to find it. I can also get to the guitar sounds very quickly without having to do several different sort of adjustments. This is position 1, which is your bridge pickup. Let's have a quick listen to that. Very clear, very, very strong, very biting, very dark. Now I can switch very easily to the bridge and the neck pickup. This is position 2. And then right to the neck pickup, very easily, just one quick flick. Now the really nice thing about this is that, of course, now we get into the coil tapping. So if I go down to position 4, you get that sort of outside parallel coil tap sound. So now I can have the inner coils in series by switching to position 5, and it's hard to remember them all, but position 6 is the parallel inner coils, and you get that nice stratty sound. Okay, so the benefit of this switch is the ability to get to a lot of those sounds without having to turn the rotary or push and pull and switch a toggle. It's a lot faster, so I can go from my stratty guitar sound, as it were, humbucker. So it makes it a lot easier to get places quickly, and I'm just a guy who plays in pubs and clubs in and around the Toronto area, and it's nice to be able to switch from a rhythm sort of single coil sound to a humbucker lead sound very quickly. Okay, so I hope that helps.